my old mature aloe plant. I have been plucking leaves from this plant, so the main stem is bent because of the heavy gel the leaves have in them. Hello friends, today I will be sharing with you very important tips how I grow and use these plants and get the best benefit, and I hope at the end of the video you too will try one or two tips. And if you have wonderful ideas related to this plant, please do share in the comment box. Sharing, we can get the maximum benefit of this plant. Thick, upright, fleshy leaves, greenish in color, and having white dots or these white spots are the right choice of aloe you are growing. The more I cut, the more I grow these aloe plants, and best spots for growing these plants is black nursery pots which have got many drainage holes. I have got many, so I use them, and this is how I maintain continuous supply of aloe vera plants. There are many plants growing in my garden in big, small, medium sized pots, and many of them I keep indoors too, because these are wonderful indoor outdoor plants wherever they get good bright natural light. The leaves of this aloe plant has white spots, and this kind of plant is very tasty to consume. After cutting these leaves, it is necessary for them to be positioned in such a way or kept in such a way so that this yellow sap runs out. This is not good to be consumed. Now comes the good part, extracting gel from these leaves. Very delicate work but interesting. It's almost a regular task to extract gel, prepare juice, and this we consume in the morning, our first healthy drink. It is said that it is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, and it is very refreshing. We collect it in a glass jar and store it in fridge for morning use. These peels are too important for me. I don't throw them away till I have nicely rubbed them on my hands and feet, nicely moisturizing the skin. Now early in the morning I start my day with healthy drink. At present I am having aloe vera juice with lukewarm water. Just see the quantity so that you can also have some idea. In winters, I also prefer amla juice, that is Indian gooseberry. I use it the same way. Extract juice, store it in fridge and have it with lukewarm water. One more drink which I prefer early in the morning is ginger garlic apple cider vinegar honey and lemon drink. If you want details, you may click the I button to get the details about that drink. That too is very healthy. Aloe vera gel ice cubes, very handy and fresh. And now squeeze few drops of lemon. Stir it and drink it. Very refreshing, and especially these frozen gel is something very soft and crunchy when we are drinking. The taste is good, plus you munch these cubes along with the drink. A very good, lovely idea. Few drops of glycerine and few drops of lemon. These aloe vera gel ice cubes turn into a healing agent, moisturizing the skin, cleansing the skin, and healing the skin. So easy to use aloe leaf as a hair conditioner. First massage your hair with coconut oil. Then rub aloe leaves on hair. Leave it for some time and then shampoo your hair. The hair becomes very soft after wash. It's very tasty and very healthy and feel good eatable. I loved it. Being in the garden, eating natural and talking to people who love nature, then what I want? It's joy. Love.